PisoNets. They play an important role in providing affordable access to the internet, especially in communities where personal devices and stable connectivity are limited. They serve as a practical bridge to the digital world, allowing students and individuals to stay connected, complete tasks, and access information despite financial constraints. In this video, we will show you pictures that highlight how PisoNets contribute to the digital inclusion and why they remain essential in everyday life.
For the first image, it shows a simple yet meaningful PisoNet location that provide access to technology for students and community members who may not have it at home. While the setup may appear modest, each computer represents an opportunity to learn, to connect, and to grow. For a student, this computer can be used for completing schoolwork, conducting research, and developing important digital skill like typing or basic coding. For community members, this space can serve as gateway to applying for job, accessing online service, or learning new skill that can improve their daily lives. In areas where resources are limited, initiative like this play a crucial role in bridging the digital divide. More than just a collection of computers, this space symbolizes inclusion, empowerment, and the idea that access to technology should be available to everyone, not just a privileged few.
Now for this image, it shows a simple PisoNet that provides much needed access to technology for students and community members, creating opportunities for learning and completing essential tasks. However, extending this access through small neighborhood printing and computer shops comes with significant struggles. Operators face intense competition from nearby shops offering the same services, along with a low and unpredictable number of customers each day. Many times, their income is barely enough to cover basic expenses like electricity, internet, and maintenance. Despite these challenges, they continue to operate driven by the need to serve their community. This highlights that while these spaces create valuable opportunities, sustaining them is difficult and requires support to keep them running.
For the last image, three children are shown to crowd around a single PisoNet machine, sharing one small screen and squeezing into a tight space just to access the internet. It reflects a reality that many still face, where technology is not easily available and going online is not as simple as it is for others. For these kids and other people, the internet is not a constant presence but a limited resource, something they have to share, take turns on, and make the most in a short amount of time. To stay connected, they have to adjust and find ways to experience the digital world together. Even when resources are limited, at the same time, the image highlights a deeper issue, the digital divide, where access to basic technology and reliable internet is still unequal. While some enjoy unlimited connectivity, others must rely on small, shared spaces like this just to participate in the same world.
As we look at the images presented, we are reminded of the real situations many users face sharing limited space, time, and resources just to go online. These moments reflect both the challenges and the resilience of people who rely on PisoNet to stay connected. In the end, PisoNets are more than just small businesses. They represent access, opportunity, and a step toward narrowing the digital divide for many communities. Supporting PisoNets means supporting equal opportunities in education, communication, and growth, ensuring that more people are not left behind in an increasingly digital world.